and that's Victoria.
Hey.
And we're about to light those fireworks. We're about to pit 2. See them? Oh, we got it. Oh, we don't. I think we don't have to get back. But
Yeah, we do.
I don't even think we can do it on the 2nd. So I don't know. But and then we're gonna do the black snakes. Okay. And now she's lighting that thing. Was it on there? Don't blow away.
The bag.
Okay, we have a whole entire bag of fireworks.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, there it goes. That was cool. It was so cool, guys. But look at the black snakes. This one is gonna turn into a snake. Second one. That one didn't even do nothing. Oh, check. Okay. Now we're about to do this one.
Black snakes, guys.
Yep, black snake. Say hi, Victoria.
Hi.
Look how she dressed. She don't know how to dress. Okay, she did. But
Look at her.
She got her ugly lipstick. Oh, look at me. Oh, this is old. I'm not trying to wear this, but I have to because I'm in Iola and I'm from Kansas. Oh, look at our big tree in our backyard. Okay, and look, guys. We need to get this far away from the fireworks because this can burn the fireworks. Okay? She's trying to light. Oh, she's trying to. Wait! I want to see how. Wait. No, put some at a little time. So then we're going to put that much. She said fudge. Okay. We're going to do one at a time, guys. One at a time. Give me that one. And it's going to turn into foam, I think. Yeah, like foam. Put the lighter on it. That thing won't work, so we're going to just put the light on it. Like that. Come on. I think we need a better lighter, so I'm going to see if we have another lighter if it doesn't work. I think it's going to turn into foam. Just let me use it. Let me do it.
Put them all stacked together.
Yeah, I think only like those will work. We have to put all of them on there. Oh my god. Put those on there. And then leave the 3 here. Okay. Okay, she's about to try and light those 3. It's doing it.
Then it stopped.
It stopped. We're trying to do it again. Okay. These won't work, so we're just going to do a different firework if we wanted to, but yeah, we are. Why is there so many I haven't got popped? Okay, guys. Ow! Oh, that's me popping them. Okay, guys, look at these. These are some good fireworks. Like these, we don't really got that much, but y'all have to see these. We're gonna try one, I guess. Yeah, because those black snakes won't work right now. It did one time. Okay, we got one. Now we got to blow it up. Blow it up. You have to step away from it because it's going to blow. And it can't hit you. And it won't hurt. I think it's called bomb, I guess. Go. See, guys? Only one part of it is right here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, it's broken a little, but yeah. That was the best firework ever. Let's see if we can do this one. We're gonna...
Watch out.
Oh, what is that?
That one just broke in half.
I wasn't waving. Come on, pop!
You want to see what else pops? I'm joking.
Get away from me. She's trying to pop me. Make a firework. Okay. Bye, guys. Say bye, Victoria.
Bye.
We have to go. Bye.